Okay, folks, so today we're making boil and fry. Um, Cassava and sweet potato only I have. And I have a few boiled eggs in here. So, I bought a couple of the cassava, but what happened, it's some of them is rot. And what I did, I put some pepper in here, pepper flakes, black pepper and salt to boil. I'll show you guys the procedure in a little bit.
Alright guys, so we're making boil and fry tonight, or we already boiled our provision. So we're gonna saute some scallions and onions and tomatoes and peppers and so on.
And peppers.
Yeah, for boil and fry we're just using sweet potato and cassava.
And some boiled egg.
And boiled egg.
And I love to use some green seasoning. I'll put a little bit of green seasoning in here.
I love boil and fry with curry fish sometimes.
Yeah, I like boil and fry. Curry, boil and fry. Curry it.
What?
Cassava, sweet potato, plant and everything, just curry it.
Okay, so that's sauteing. How's the weather where you guys at? It's pretty cloudy and gloomy everywhere in the country with all the thunderstorms and everything that's happening. So we added some black pepper. Red crushed peppers, crushed pepper seeds.
I like the smell when all of them cook up.
Can't wait to have this boil and fry with some nice tea. I love to put evaporated milk in my tea sometimes, otherwise known as carnation milk. But I like to flavor the water with like cardamom and clove and cinnamon, and then drop my tea bag in it. Nice.
And here is the boiling cassava and sweet
Here's
potato.
our root vegetable, cassava, otherwise known as yuca, and sweet potatoes.
And out of a few cassava, this is all I got. The rest wasn't good.
Yeah.
Sometimes you go and you get some good cassava, and sometimes you don't. I think they put too much fertilizer in there.
Well, not only that we're going through, we went through a pandemic, maybe we're still going through, there is a war going on at the moment, so, you know, I guess this is the best we can do. All right.
fry this up good. Then throw in my cassava. And sweet potatoes.
Alright, so we're gonna add our provision now to the pot. And work the seasoning in. And it smells very delicious.
Of course it smells good, right?
Well, of course, you're cooking, so it smells good.
Guys, sometimes I put in fish in here. Smoked fish, dry fish. As you guys know, we love fish. Smoked fish and dry fish. Or salt fish. So I'll spread it out a little bit and let it burn. I like my cassava burn a little bit to the bottom. You get that burnt flavor in it. Okay?
Yep.
And we'll be back. So I think it burned a little bit to the bottom. I like it to burn more. I like that boiled stuff. I eat usually. That's my favorite part of boiling fries. All this burnt stuff. Yeah.
Looks good, guys. Tastes good too. Smells good.
And it's done there.
Well, thanks for watching. Hope you all have a good day. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our Cooking and Traveling with Victor and Nalini. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. Until then, ciao.